In the fast-evolving landscape of home security, smart systems have emerged as an indispensable element for every household. As we step into 2025, the increasing prevalence of smart devices aligns with our need for greater security, making it paramount to understand why implementing these advanced systems is crucial. One of the most significant reasons is the real-time alerts provided by smart security systems. Equipped with motion sensors and sophisticated algorithms, these systems instantly send notifications to your smartphone at the slightest hint of unusual activity. Imagine receiving an alert while you're miles away, allowing you to respond promptly to any potential threats. This aspect alone can transform your perception of safety in an interconnected world where surveillance is at your fingertips. Another compelling reason to adopt smart security systems is the convenience of remote access. With just a touch on your smartphone or through a voice assistant, you can monitor your property, control locks, or set off alarms from anywhere. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or simply enjoying a night out, the ability to oversee your home grants peace of mind that traditional security systems lack. This capability puts you in control, ensuring you can manage your home's safety without being tethered to a specific location. Moreover, the visible presence of smart security devices acts as a deterrent against potential intruders. The sight of smart cameras and doorbells can make thieves think twice before attempting a break-in. This proactive approach not only protects your belongings but also fosters a sense of community safety that resonates in neighborhoods equipped with such technology. Just imagine an intruder glancing at a well-placed camera and reassessing their intentions, discouraged by the knowledge that they are being watched. This is the power of deterrence that smart systems offer. Installation is another critical factor that makes smart security systems appealing in 2025. Gone are the days when setting up elaborate security networks required professional help. Today's smart devices boast user-friendly designs that can be installed with minimal technical knowledge. Whether it's a doorbell camera or a motion sensor light, most devices come with clear instructions and a simplified setup process. This convenience invites homeowners to personalize their security configurations according to their unique needs, enhancing the experience even further. Ultimately, smart security translates to peace of mind. The assurance that your family and property are continuously monitored and protected creates an atmosphere of comfort. A home should be a sanctuary, and knowing that you can count on your security system provides an unbeatable sense of confidence. As technology continues to advance, embracing smart security solutions will ensure that you not only keep up with trends, but also protect what matters most, allowing you to focus on enjoying your life without constant worry.